Welcome back to Tech Solutions. Today's video explores AppImage, one of the most convenient ways to run applications on any Linux distribution without installing a thing. If you're someone who switches distros often, or you just want to avoid dependency issues, AppImage keeps everything simple. Instead of unpacking files across your system or requiring complicated setup, an AppImage bundles the entire application into a single portable file. You download it, give it permission to run, and launch it instantly. It feels almost like carrying a Windows portable exe file, but built for Linux and free from system clutter. To start, download your AppImage from the official project website. Once the file arrives, open your Downloads folder and select the AppImage. Every AppImage needs execution permission before it can run. Open its properties, head into the Permissions section, and enable the option that allows the file to execute as a program. Close the Properties window and double-click the file. The application should launch immediately without installing anything on your system. For those who prefer the terminal, the whole process is just as simple. Navigate to the folder where you save the file, make it executable using a short command, and run it right from the terminal. It works the same across Ubuntu, Zorin, MX Linux, Debian, Fedora, and practically every major distribution. AppImage doesn't care where you're running it. Its portable nature is exactly the point. Some people like to keep their system neat, so moving the AppImage to a dedicated folder is optional but helpful. Create an Applications folder inside your home directory and place all your AppImages there. If you want an AppImage to feel fully integrated into your desktop environment, you can create a small launcher so it appears in your app menu. Once that's done, the app behaves almost like it's installed while still remaining fully portable. The best part is that uninstalling an AppImage is the easiest thing on Linux. Simply delete the file. There are no system leftovers, no fragments hidden inside system directories, and no package manager cleanup required. It's a clean, self-contained design that avoids the mess many traditional packages create. Whether you're trying to keep your system lightweight, running a distro that doesn't offer certain apps, or you just prefer having portable software that works everywhere, AppImage is an elegant solution. Try using a few AppImages with your favorite Linux apps and experience how seamless it feels. This is Tech Solutions, and if you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to stay tuned for more Linux tips, tricks, and tutorials.